Good morning, everybody. We're going to start off the day today by saying that I've taken all my Honda Prologue mats from Lumway, and we're going to start installing them in the vehicle. Okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the back seat mat. So I'm going to pull the carpet out. Just pretty simple. I'm going to put this over to one side for now. All right, that's that. I'm going to give it a little bit of a vacuum just to clean the carpet up. There's really nothing on it at all, but we're going to do it anyway. I put these in. They look pretty self-explanatory. Looks like they're only going to fit in there one way. All right. You just kind of flex them into position the first time. All right, here we are. What a nice fit. Wow. That's really nice. I don't think I could have gotten a better fit with these mats. Beautiful. I'm very, very impressed with them. Look at that. Every single corner, perfect. Right in place. That's going to be fantastic for the winter. The grandkids will certainly not be able to spill anything on there you want. It's not going to make a mess. And I've had these sitting out in the sun for a couple of hours today. It's 49 degrees, but, I say but. They're in the sun and they're black, so. Now in this case here, I'm going to pull the carpet out of the front driver's side. Put this over to one side and give that a quick vacuum. That back seat fit was like perfect. Boy, very nice. Give me a second here. Don't mind my rear end. It's going to give us a quick vacuum. And come the spring, when we take these out and put the carpet back in, I will give that a more in-depth cleaning. These are made to fit your car pretty good, so Unfortunately, I'm going to have to block this while I get you a view of them after they're installed, but if you'll excuse me, they're going to slide right in under the pedals. Wow. That clicked right in. And that clicked right in. Again, an absolute perfect fit. And I'll bring you in there after. So you can take a look at them. Absolute perfect fit. Right? This is the passenger side front. The only disappointment in the factory mats is that they don't have any way to stay in place. You would have thought they'd have clips on them like on the driver's side, but for some reason Honda, or in this case on this Honda Prologue, which is a 2025 Elite, they didn't think of that. But this is really, you think about this car, what it is, it's really a Chevy Blazer EV with Apple CarPlay. That's really what it comes down to. Chevy Blazer electric vehicle with Apple CarPlay. Everything about this vehicle is General Motors. Everything. Just kind of has a Honda body on it. I'm going to slide this in place. Okay. Oh, nice fit though. Beautiful. You couldn't ask for a better fit. This is really very impressive fit. Wow. I'm going to take you around after I finish everything and I'll show you how nice the fit is, okay? But that's the front passenger. Now looking in through the back, this is the driver's side rear seat tilted forward. Now, these are all going to lock in place with Velcro, which is pretty cool, right? All I did was kind of put it in place and it just kind of, it sticks right there right away. Absolutely. But we're going to lock this in, get it to fit as best we can. All right. And again, wow, it does really do a nice job. Now this is going to go underneath here. All right, that's going to go underneath there. And all I have to do is just kind of press around the edges. That's it, and it's there. It's stuck. And this goes around the headrest if you want it to better hold it in place. I don't know if I need that right now, but look how nice that fit is. I'll go do the other side. I guess the key to installing this, to be honest with you, is making sure when you put that in place, you're ready to push that Velcro down, that you got it exactly where you want it. Because that is a perfect fit, and it's no joke, man. No joke. That really looks nice. I was surprised. I was kind of wondering how that was all going to go together. It really was. So this is the other side. Hopefully you can see okay. I was wondering, like, why in the world do we have to have back of the seat mats? But then I'm saying to myself, well, it's because if you put anything in the car and you want to slide it forward, you're not going to wreck the carpeting, right? So I guess that was the thought process behind it. Again, this is the same thing over here. You just kind of have to really line it up with that opening. Wow. That's crazy. It's crazy how good that fits. I don't know what else to say, but that is really something. That is really a beautiful fit. Beautiful fit. Look how nice that is. I know you can't see that well, but this I'm not going to use at this point in time. I can if I want to, but that was like just put it in place and it's all there. Wow. Now, you've seen how easy this is going so far, and I can't imagine like, oh, it's going to be so simple. Everything's going to be so easy. We've only been 10 minutes into this, and I've been yapping a bit, and you can see that almost everything is installed, right? Almost everything. But in this case here, we're going to put the back mat in, the big piece, the biggest piece that they have. This is the cargo area mat. This is all nice and flexible from being out in the sun. We're going to fit this right in here where it belongs. We're going to push it into where it belongs back here. It's a little more finicky, I think, just because it's the back mat. I want to get this in place really good before I let that fall on the Velcro. We're going to have to get that adjusted a little bit over here. This is the only one that's been a little finicky so far. This just has to come up a bit. There we are. Here we are. Here we are. Almost got this perfect. Almost perfect. Looks pretty good though. Looks pretty good. The fit is fantastic. I'm just going to have to fiddle with this a little bit. It's got a little wrinkle in that, but that's going to work itself out. I'm confident of that. That's it. It's got a good fit right now. I'm happy with it. It's a good fit. Now we do have to cut out the handle piece right here, because underneath there's a handle. So let me get my razor tool and we'll do that. So at this point, we're just going to cut this out right here. I'm just going to cut around the inside of this. They're doing pretty good here. And that's also a perfect fit. Look at that. That's beautiful. That'll work itself out over time, but now I can actually lift this up. And I just get rid of this. We don't need that. The seat backs up. That's that. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm going to throw these in the back. I'm going to put these tools back in here because I'm going to go replace the center hubcaps on my daughter-in-law's Mercedes because she bought new ones. And hey, that's what we do, right? That's what we do. Beautiful. Look how nice that is. That's really nice. That almost looks like it reclines a little bit more than the other one. I didn't know they reclined. Maybe they do. Maybe they do. So that's it. That's the mats. Take a look in here. Nope. I just had to push it in more. Have it a good shove. So let me take you out and give you a good view of these mats. You've already seen the back here. That is for my mirror to see the baby when she's in the car. Look how nice that came out. I want you to take a look at the fit on the floor mats, as they're so good. Look how nice they are. Absolutely perfect. Just perfect. It's in the front driver's side, clipped in perfectly, form fit exactly the way it should be. Show you the front passenger. How nice. Beautiful fit. There are a couple of wrinkles there. That'll work themselves out. But it fits the pan exactly. And that's not going to move around either like the carpeting does. Or carpeting did. I think the last thing I have to do, and I forgot about this piece, is we're going to have to... there's something that goes in the trunk, I think. So let me take this stuff out again. So let me take a minute. I forgot about that piece. Not sure where exactly it goes. There's no Velcro on this last thing. No Velcro. But somehow I think it goes inside here someplace. Because it's the only place I can think of. Yeah, it does go in here. It does go in here. No need for it, really, but it's a nice touch. Look at nice fit and a nice touch. Yeah, nice. Yeah. I'll get you in here closer to take a look. That's it.